Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we are going to be testing and reviewing the cheap Polygel kit from Wish. Is it Cosselia or something? I can't pronounce that. I'm going to butcher that. So that's what that is. So yeah, I'm going to try and do a make today with the stuff that come in it. I've already bought this kit a while ago, so it's actually my first proper kit, hence why the nail file has seen, well, better days, on both sides. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this today, but like I already sort of know what it's like because it's an old kit, but I thought I'd do a review anyway for you guys to see. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm just going to show you all the products that you get in the kit altogether. So far I've shown you the, oh god, don't mind my horrible nails, the slip solution, the base coat, the top coat, and then obviously all the colours. There's a brush and spatula spear thing going on, dampen dish, scrubbing brush to like using the alcohol to get all the dust off, some toe things which I don't see the point in because I'm not doing my toes, wooden orange stick, a cuticle pusher and scraper, it's got a bit of glitter on, some nail clippers, a really crap buffing block that does nothing in all fairness, some dual forms. It comes with a light, which is great for, you know, if someone wants as a beginner kit, you know, and it's good. It's an alright lamp. It's not amazing, but it's alright. So now I'm going to do these swatches. This is number 1, and it's like a light pink. Then we've got number 2, which is an even lighter pink. Number 3, which is a very darker, well, not dark pink, but yeah. This one is like a muted sort of purpley rose pink. Number 7, which is the clear, and then number 8, so obviously I'm missing 2, is the pink clear. This didn't actually come with a white, which I was quite shocked about. So there they are in the lamp. I thought I'd leave this in so you can see. And I tried to write the numbers on. I'm so sorry for my awful handwriting. So I use number 1, 4 and 7 in this kit. I use some holographic black glitter from a little kit that I've got, and some chrome powders. I use number 3 out of this kit, little thing here, and then some rhinestones. So yeah, so here we are. Just popping my slip solution into my dampen dish, getting all my stuff ready to go. I don't know why I'm fiddling. I should have just done this all before recording because it would have been so much easier. So I'm going in with my nail prep. I've already filed my nails, so I didn't want to file them anymore to hurt them or damage them. So I'm using a bit of alcohol just to get off any of the dust and stuff like that, with the brush that come with the kit. So, you know, useful. I can't complain there. So yeah, that little bowl I got in a set of 3 from Poundland. So I'm going in with the Model 1's Dehydrator. I do 2 coats of this. I always do 2 coats of Dehydrator, 2 coats of primer. And I do 2 coats usually of base coat, but I only did 1 with this set. Because this is the first time I'm actually using forms. I didn't use the forms, sorry. I didn't use the dual forms, I used the foils. Is it foils? No, they're forms. I am so sorry. It's quite late and I've been editing and all that stuff, so yeah. So here we go in with the base coat now. Cured it for 60 seconds, I think it was in total. It left a bit of a tacky layer, so I put it in for a little bit longer because I wasn't sure if it was sticky or if it was tacky, if that makes sense, like if it was finished drying or what, I don't know. So here we go, forms, see, yes, I'm using these. I actually got these in, oh no, I bought these off Amazon, because I actually had no forms. Oh, and I buggered up there, so I get a new one. There we go, that's better. It's the first time I've ever put a form together, so second time, not that bad. Yeah, I got these off Amazon. I didn't actually have any forms, and then I started ordering like kits and they all started coming with forms. So I was just like, okay, never mind. My thumb seems a bit wide for this form, but it's not too bad, I guess. So I'm going in with the number, I think it's number 1. I'm trying, it's the first time I've ever done forms, and it's the first time I've ever done a smile line. So bear with me. So yeah, I'm going in and just moulding up the form slowly, and I put it into a point. So yeah, oh gosh, here's my problem. It looked really good at one point for a second, and I kept playing with it, and you know when you like just can't help it and you keep playing with it and you just need to stop, you know, put it in the lamp, leave it alone, stop touching it. I'm looking at this now thinking, stop, I'm going out of frame so that I can't see myself now. So yeah, and I'm also holding my hand quite weird at the moment. In a minute, I actually figure out that I can like hold my hand towards me and get it in the camera and have a bit of a view. See, here we go. See that I'm just like, it's fine. Leave it alone. Put it in the lamp. Cure it now. Leave it alone, please. You know, I was sitting here thinking to myself, stop touching it. So we go. I popped it into the lamp. And now I'm just going to file down the smile lines so that obviously they're a bit more crisp. The problem I did have with this Polygel, like I said, I've used it before. The file in this kit was really flimsy, so I switched over to my model ones because otherwise we were going to be here all day, and I didn't want to be here all day filing. So the problem that I had with this Polygel, it's called Polygel and it's also called Builder Gel, so it's a bit of everything. I have no idea why. I was curing it for 99 seconds, pulling off the form, and I was having to go back in and cure again because the underneath, it was sitting upon the form, was still not cured and it was still sticky, like it hadn't been cured at all or been in a lamp. So I had to stick every nail back in for a further like 30 to 60 seconds, really, depends on like how thick I'd done the actual nail. It wasn't too bad. By the way, I'm going up on the top, on the actual tip then with number 4. There we go, see? It's like sticky. So I just quickly pat it back into place, smooth it out, and I stick it back into the nail lamp. And it's all fine then. It's not too bad, so I can't really complain. So here we go with my middle finger and doing the same again. I've done this smile line and like nail bed quite long. But I'm still learning, guys, so you know, remember, it's a learning curve and it's a learning process and you get there in the end. I've only been doing nails for a month and I have come so far. Like my first set was like, yikes, like take them off now because they just looked horrendous. They would look like bricks on fingertips. So yeah. So here we go. So I'm just like patting it down, patting it into place. I'm trying not to move it too much, like move it with the brush. I'd rather pat, because if you pat, it seems to actually work better. I did have to use a lot of slip solution with this kit because it's very, very sticky. But it wasn't like running with the slip solution, which isn't too bad, I guess, you know. And here we go again. And again, not cured properly, so had to smooth it out and pop it back into the lamp. And again with the tip, it's going in with that number 4. It's like a rose pink, I guess. It's actually a really nice colour. This is the colour I used with my first set, and I liked it, so I can't really complain. I mean, it's a nice colour. Like, this kit isn't awful, but like you can get better for the money, you know. Like, it's better to like save up a little bit extra and buy a proper kit. Like I think this was £20 on Wish, and then the delivery then as well was about £10. So really it was £30. So like for an extra tenner I could have gotten for an extra £10 I could have gotten a Model Ones kit off of Amazon, but you know, I was trying to be lazy. So here I go in now onto my resin palette, and I put some clear polygel down, which is the number 7, and I added the glitter, and I'm just going to use my spatula and my little spear and give it a good old squish, 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 and mix it in to create a glitter what's a glitter? A glitter polygel. I had a little bit more because it was quite thick, and I wanted to make sure I used all of it. So yeah, I do that there, which isn't too bad. It's actually not that bad a consistency neither. I let it set for a little bit as well, so it wasn't like thick and gloopy. It was like soft a little bit. It was only a couple of minutes, but those couple of minutes did the world of good. So here I am now, just placing the glitter, the black glitter with holographic sort of glitters in onto my ring finger. I wanted to do something a little bit different because I didn't want all the nails to be the same. So yeah, that's why this one's thing. I should have probably gone with like a peachy pink rose sort of glitter instead, but I hadn't used this glitter yet and I was really excited to use it, so I was like, yes, gotta use this one. This one must be great. So here we go, just going out of frame, sorry guys. So pat, 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 pat. Pats for days. There we go, and there's cured. This one actually wasn't too bad to cure. And then my pinky finger, I went with all one colour of that number 4, like rosish pink. I'd done a whole nail of that. And again, it took a while to cure. So yeah, but I actually add the number 3 chrome onto this one. I add top coat and I file all the nails, I add a top coat, I add the chrome, and then I add another top coat to this nail. But I lost the footage, so you don't actually see me doing the top coat, the chrome, or the rhinestones, but I do show you at the end, so I think it's coming up now. Yes, and this is the final result. So I don't think I've done too bad. For the first time ever using foils, as you can see, the chrome on the pinky there. And I added some little rhinestones, some little shinies. This is the rhinestones in the picker that I used. And this is the glue that I used. I got these all off of Amazon. I'll make sure to link everything down below for you guys so you know where you're going. And this is the top coat. This top coat, when I opened it, it smelled like burning gel. Burning. Like it's in the oven. It was horrible. So just a heads up for you guys. So we're coming up to the end now. I'm just going to show you the chrome, which is the number 3. That's the one that I used. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, tell me what you want to see, and I will see you all soon. Love you. Bye, guys.